Next video, I'll reveal 3 AI tools that write, format, and market your ebook automatically. There are people quietly earning over $54,000 a year just by publishing ebooks right from their couch. No boss, no warehouse, no shipping, just a laptop, an idea, and the internet. So, what's stopping you from turning your words into wealth? Because today, I'm going to show you exactly how they do it. Welcome to the world of digital publishing, where millions of readers are just a click away. Platforms like Amazon Kindle, Smashwords, and even your own website are your gateways to passive income. But here's the catch. It's not about just uploading your ebook. It's about getting it in front of the right eyes, because visibility, not luck, decides who wins. The ebook market is huge, a digital gold rush with millions of readers. But here's the reality check. So is the competition. With thousands of new books published daily, just writing a good book isn't enough. To stand out and find your audience, you need more than just compelling words. You need a rock-solid strategy. First, craft a book that fills a niche need or solves a specific problem. Don't just write about fitness. Instead, target postnatal fitness for new moms with limited time. Specificity makes you the go-to expert for a dedicated readership actively searching for your solution. Next, design a professional, scroll-stopping cover. Online, people absolutely judge a book by its cover. It's your #1 marketing tool and must look polished, clearly communicate your topic, and stand out even as a tiny thumbnail. Then, master keyword research so your book shows up when readers are searching. Think like your audience. What phrases would they type into Amazon? A pro tip: use tools like Publisher Rocket or Ahrefs to find the exact keywords people actually type when searching for your topic. And here's the beauty of this model. Once published, your book becomes a digital asset that works for you 24/7. It keeps selling day after day, earning you income while you sleep. That's not just a book, it's digital real estate that pays rent every month. Now, let's talk about where most authors fail: marketing. It's a harsh truth, but the writing is only half the battle. Every single day, thousands of new books flood the market, so even the best ebook won't sell itself. You've poured your heart and soul onto the page, crafting something you know will resonate. But if no one knows it exists, it's like whispering your masterpiece into a hurricane. Your voice gets lost in the noise. Here's the fix. Start by building a small but loyal audience on platforms like Facebook or Instagram. Don't just post, "Buy my book." Instead, share your process, ask questions, and offer genuine value related to your book's themes. The goal is to build a community of true fans. Next, create short-form videos that tease your book's best ideas. Think of them as movie trailers. Showcase a core conflict or a mind-blowing concept to stop the scroll and make viewers curious. Finally, master email marketing to keep readers hooked. Your email list is an asset you own, a direct line to your most dedicated fans. Use it to share exclusive content and build anticipation for your next launch. This consistent approach creates a journey. Each post, each story, each email is a digital breadcrumb, building a pathway that leads readers right to your Buy Now button. Let's be honest, there will be low sale months. You'll have moments where you question if it's worth it. But here's the silver lining. Every failure teaches you something. What headline works, what price converts, what audience loves your voice. This isn't a get-rich-quick game. It's a get-smart-over-time journey. Play the long game. Adapt, learn, and watch your income grow with every new release. Now let's talk pricing, because this can make or break your launch. Most new authors think, "I'll price high to earn more." Wrong. Start low, $0.99 or $2.99. It's not about profit at first, it's about momentum and social proof. More readers, more reviews, more visibility. Then, when you've built credibility, raise the price strategically. Use BookBub deals, Kindle countdown discounts, or flash sales to spark urgency and drive massive bursts of sales. Let's explore the real magic of ebooks, the secret that makes scaling possible. There's no inventory and absolutely no physical limits. Forget the old world of publishing, worrying about storage fees and shipping logistics. With digital, those headaches simply vanish, allowing you to focus purely on creation and marketing. Once your book is written and uploaded, the cost to distribute it is almost zero. You do the work once, and your digital asset can be sold an infinite number of times to a global audience instantly. That means true, infinite scalability. Whether you sell 10 copies or 10,000, your personal workload stays exactly the same. While a traditional business owner scrambles to fulfill a surge in orders, Your automated system delivers your book 24/7 without you lifting a finger. And if you intelligently track your data, sales trends, reader demographics, and time zones, you can fine-tune your marketing with sniper precision. Imagine knowing exactly when your readers buy most, and scheduling your ads or posts to hit that golden window. This isn't guesswork, it's data-driven strategy. That's how smart authors turn a few $100s a month into a scalable income stream that generates thousands.